Let us see in this video how to create a bank receipt voucher against revenue. A bank receipt voucher against revenue is used to record amounts received from customers directly into the bank for sales or service-related transactions. This voucher helps to adjust customer outstanding balances and accurately record revenue receipts in the financial books. Let us take an example. Bank, State Bank of India, Pay Mode, Check, GL, Account, GST Sales. Amount 26,000 rupees. HSN, RSAC Code 99854000. Tax rate 18%. This slide shows the bank receipt workflow approval process, which consists of two levels, reviewing and approving. First, after the entries are made by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor. In order to review the document, once the supervisor reviews it, the document will be forwarded to the manager who has the authority to approve it. The manager will then review and approve the document. This is how the workflow functions. Let us log in with the creator's bank receipt voucher against revenue button. Click Financial, and then click Payment and Receipt screen. Start by clicking the Add button to create a new bank receipt entry. In the Document Mode field, choose Bank Receipt to specify the type of transaction. Choose the bank account through the Bank field. Select the voucher date. This is the date the bank transaction took place. In the Pay Mode field, select the method of receipt from the available options: Check, RTGS, NEFT, TT Transfer. Check is a written order to the bank to pay a specific amount from the user account to a recipient. RTGS is a fast, real-time transfer of large amounts of money between banks. NEFT is a system to transfer money in batches between banks, usually processed within an hour. TT Transfer is an electronic transfer of money, often used for international payments. Enter the check reference number and the check date in the reference date field. The bank receipt prefix will be updated automatically. Transaction currency will be updated automatically. If required, it can be changed. Bank currency will also be updated automatically. Click the Save button. The bank receipt voucher will be generated. Once the voucher is created, bank account, voucher prefix, voucher number, voucher date, transaction currency, receipt mode, reference date, reference number, and details will be updated automatically. To add the revenue account, click the Add button. Choose the revenue account in the GL account field and in the GL account description field. Entity will be updated automatically. If required, it can be changed. Choose the CPC description and enter the amount in transaction currency. Click the Save button. For transactions without tax, click the Create Journal checkbox and post the document. For transactions with tax, click the GST Detail button. Enter the state code. The state description will be updated automatically based on the state code. Enter the GST supplier name and the GST number. The PAN number will be updated automatically based on the GST number. Enter the bill date using the date calendar and the bill number. GST type and GST classification will be updated automatically. Click the Save button. Once the document has been saved, enter the HSN SAC code in the line section. Based on the HSN SAC code, the tax rate will be updated automatically. If the transaction is interstate, the IGST amount will be updated. If it is intrastate, the CGST and SGST amounts will be updated. Click the Save button. click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal has been created. To review the journal, click the View Journal button. The bank account will be debited, the tax account will be credited, and the revenue account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the reviewer. Navigate to the reviewer's login and click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen and click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to forward it to the manager. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigate to the manager's login and click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen and click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to approve the document. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.